Today's video is brought to you by cruiseline.com and Shipmate app. Did you know you can research and book your excursions right in the Shipmate app? Click on Explore, choose your port, and browse excursions by destination. It's super simple to read reviews from real cruisers and book your activities right in the app.
Good morning, it's our second day in Cabo, and today we are going to show you guys how to get to Medano Beach step by step by step. So Medano Beach is the strip of beach that's right behind me. I don't know what you're seeing right here when I point, but it's the strip of beach behind me that has all of the umbrellas and restaurants on it. You can see that giant yacht over there. That is Medano Beach. Medano Beach is basically the only swimmable area in the main area of Cabo. Of course, you could go to Lover's Beach and swim if the weather's good, but this is really the main place to go if you want to have a little beach day and not get too far away from the marina. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tendering ashore shortly, and then we're going to seek out a water taxi to take us over to Medano Beach. And so what we'll do is we'll memorize the name of our water taxi, we'll give them a pickup time, and then we will have them pick us back up after we've enjoyed some time at our favorite bar and restaurant for the day. So again, behind me is Medano Beach. If you look over just a little bit to the left, you can see the marina. And the marina is where our tender is going to drop us off. So you pick up a water taxi there. The vendors are everywhere. As you'll see when we get off the tender boat, there will be people approaching us immediately as soon as we get out of the security area all the way down. So it's really, really easy to find a water taxi as long as the weather is good and they're actually running. Now, if there are no water taxis because the weather is bad, you could always take just a regular old land taxi, a road taxi, whatever you want to call it, taxi cab over. But we're gonna go ahead and check back into our room, grab our sunscreen and towels, and head ashore. Okay, we are in deck 1 and we're headed down to deck 0, which is where you catch the tenders on Carnival Splendor. Come on along.
Please watch your step. Grab the handrail.
Wet right there. You don't want to sit there. All right, we're waiting for our tender to fill up, and then we're headed into the marina. These are those really nice open tenders. They're the Cabo tenders, so these do not belong to the ship. They're much, much more pleasant than the tenders that come off the ship because you get more ventilation and you can see a little bit better. So I tend to get a little bit less motion sick on these. They're really nice. So we should be taking off in just a few minutes. As you get off the tender, you proceed up to this pier, and there's photo ops and refreshments, and then we're gonna walk all the way down to the end of the pier and out into the public area, which is where we're gonna catch our tender. All right, you guys, so if you have a Carnival sponsored or Princess sponsored, whatever cruise line you're on shore excursion, there's a waiting area right here, but we're actually gonna go right past it and out of this little pier area and into the place where the public is allowed to sell excursions, and that's where we're gonna find our water taxi. too. Is the baby free?
How you guys doing? Yes, he'll go free.
Okay, and
My
how
name
much
is Jerry.
Hey Jerry, I'm Sherry.
Hi.
Say
Oh, wow,
hello
that's
to-
great. Jerry and
say-
Sherry.
Jerry and Sherry, say hello to YouTube, Jerry.
Hi, YouTube. This is live right here, Cabo San Lucas. Everybody, I'm gonna get her the best deal of the life.
All right,
I'm gonna
good.
charge you $4 each, one way to go to Medano Beach.
All right, that
I'm gonna
works.
drop you off. Round trip if you want is $8. There's a $1 port fee per person. You pay that. But the young king right here, he'll go just for free on the port fee and the tour.
All right, Jerry.
You ready?
We're ready.
Let's go. I'm
do
gonna show you my boat.
Sounds good.
This way, guys.
All right. What's your boat called?
I got out of boats, but I actually work for Daisy.
Okay.
Daisy. But if Daisy's not there, I'll get you on another boat. They're prompting.
We're cool with that. Whatever. We've done it a million times.
I know. I can tell you. You're an everyday vacationist. So where are you guys from? California. Go wash your glasses. Oh my God. Oh my gosh! Not the Oakleys. No.
The phone, please.
Look, guys. So this is right here the port fee. You pay him $1. Keep the ticket. So on your way back, they won't charge you again. Okay.
Sounds good. So do we pay you for the water taxi?
Yeah, you sure will. And my office is right there where you see Fishing A6 in the back of us.
Okay.
It's Crosorios, that's my office, so if you ever want to come back, see me, let
Okay.
me know.
So
If you
it's
get-
16. And
Yes.
then, okay, do you have
Round
change?
trip, round
okay,
trip.
that's fine. Yeah.
Just pay,
Pay the port fee.
yeah, pay for you with the 20 stuff.
Great. Thank you. Okay, for the 20. Okay.
Easier that way.
Yeah, let's do that.
If you guys ever come back, I have friends come back, tell them to go see Jerry,
Okay.
A6, right here.
Okay,
or you
sounds
can
good.
add me on Facebook, Gerardo Alvarez.
Wait, what is it?
Gerardo Alvarez.
Okay, got it. We'll find you on Facebook. Sounds good.
¿Estás hablando de él? Right here to this gentleman.
Okay.
Dos, son dos. ¿Te cobra dos, por favor?
Just gotta keep these. Super important. Don't lose these. Okay.
Are you
thank
ready, gentlemen?
Great.
Gracias.
Do this.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So what's the channel? How can I see how much? Oh, that's great.
So our whole facility is how to get to Medano Beach.
Oh wow. This is the way.
funny?
Okay, this is the way to get.
Yeah.
Well, look,
Do
this
we
is the
need to pay you?
Renata. You pay me right here.
Okay.
The taxi fare. Little man can get on free. Come on, let me help you get on. You can pay on board. Come on. Watch your step.
Come on, baby, go with him.
So everybody, if you ever see me here in Cabo after seeing this channel, come and see me. My name's Jerry. I got you guys. VIP service.
Thank you.
Watch your
VIP.
step, please. On this side, you can even out the weight of the boat.
Okay, we can do that. All right, sweetheart, you sit right there. Go ahead, sweetie.
And
Get a
I'll
little
take
bit closer to the
taxi
front.
fare for the boat.
Okay, here you go. Can you hand this to me? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Check it, make sure I got the right amount.
Yeah, it's good. You guys have a good day. Remember,
Thank you.
just let the captain know where you want him to pick you up and where he drops you off. That's where he'll be.
Cool. What's
You have a
the
good
name
day.
of this boat? I forgot.
Renata.
Renata. Okay.
Yeah. You have a good day, guys. Bye.
Jerry. That was flashy. Okay, you guys, so now you have lots and lots of options. There's restaurants everywhere. So we're gonna go try to track down Billygan's, which is right by the office, and Mango Deck. Let's go. Hey, son, come on. Son, come on, come on, come on.
I got it weak.
So there's tons of beach vendors, jewelry, all that good stuff. And if you buy one thing, all of their friends will come around and try to sell you something. So you have to be kind of firm if you don't want to buy anything, or else you're gonna get mobbed. So the way that I know how to find Billygan's is by the umbrellas. They're white umbrellas next to the blue umbrellas. The signs aren't very good, so we're just gonna look for the umbrellas. This is Billygan's. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a margarita or a bucket of beer, Mr. T. Yeah. Let's do a tequila shot. And then buckets of beer or just?
5 beers for $12.
Okay, I'll do 5 beers for $12.
Okay, we have Pacific, Corona, Gold, Kentucky, we have the light.
Corona, lots of limes. And then a little later we'll do
No problema. Anytime, you can let me know. Hey, whiskey.
No? Hook it up. Oh, that has to be really stretchy. This is the biggest lounge you'll ever get. Oh no, I need a lime. Can't go without the lime. Lime seed. All right, soaking up a little bit of the good life here at Billygan's. Got my Corona bucket of Coronas, and my band bow, and the boys are swimming in the ocean, and we are definitely in vacation mode now. There's a really, really strong current today, so you have to be very careful. I was just telling my son never to turn his back on the ocean. He got pounded by a wave, but here's a little 360, nice and slow, of Medano Beach today. I think maybe there's a few spring breakers still here, but I can't quite tell. There's Billygan's, and then I don't know what's behind us on this side, but you can kind of see that's the area where all the water taxis come. And the marina is over there. And then right there with the blue umbrellas, that's the office. And then the yellow and green is Mango Deck. Okay, so I know that 2018 is all about new experiences, but some things are so good that you have to try them again, like the coconut fish that you just saw with the mango sauce. But today we are trying something new, and that will be these fajitas right here, which my son is eating in homemade, fresh, beautiful tortillas. As always, the service at Billygan's is super amazing. The guacamole is to die for, and the water, even though it's 68 degrees, it's doing the trick. All right, we made it. It was a race to the finish because Julian was taken off. But it is 1:35 ship time, 2:30 Cabo time, and we are just in time. Last tender's at 3:15. We had an awesome day at Medano Beach. Got to see some fun subscribers there. Hi Elizabeth, hi Chelsea. And we had some amazing food. The coconut fish, fajitas, guacamole were just as amazing as we remembered. And I had to give away 3 out of my 5 Coronas from the bucket, but it's awesome. So we're headed back to the ship. Always remember to tip your driver. Alright, you got it? Nos vemos en alta mar!
Yeah!
Yeah! High five. Alright, my friends, that is how you get to Medano Beach and back by water taxi. So the only thing that we have left to do is walk back down the pier to the tender line. There are 2 ships in port today. We've got Carnival Splendor and Ruby Princess, so there might be a little bit more of a crowd. So let's go check it out and see how it is. So after we came back from Medano Beach today, I splurged, you guys, and I got a spa treatment. I had a 75-minute combination treatment that had hot stones, full body massage, a foot massage, a little scalp massage, and a facial. It was $159 on Port Day special. And after that, I went and enjoyed the thermal suite. Today, I really enjoyed it. Everybody else was at dinner after my 4:30 treatment, so I was the only person in the eucalyptus steam room, and that was really relaxing and nice. You know, I'm not always that good about just chilling out and tuning out the world and relaxing, but in that moment, I did. So after that, got back to the room, did my hair, nice, leisurely, get ready for dinner time. But unfortunately, after a big day of swimming at Medano Beach and having fun, we're all kind of tired. So I have a feeling that we'll probably be rounding out the night after dinner. But I did want to tell you guys that on the first night of the cruise, well, actually, was it the first night? No, the formal night of the cruise, we went to the steakhouse and we got a bottle of Kendall Jackson wine. Well, I had a cocktail as well that night, so I only had one glass, so we kept the bottle. And I'm enjoying another glass of Kendall Jackson Merlot tonight with my dinner, and it's really, really nice to just have a little bit of that left over and not have to buy another cocktail tonight. So we're enjoying a couple of fun, kind of heavy entrees tonight. My husband got the lasagna, which we'll show you in our food slideshow. Usually comes a little bit later in our series of vlogs. And my son got a surprise entree. He told me I could surprise him, and I got the salmon and some fun starters. So we will see you guys tomorrow for our vlog in Puerto Vallarta when we're going to visit the Hyatt Ziva. So until tomorrow, we'll see you on the high seas.